In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the free secret affiliate marketing tools that top creators like Sean Cannell from Think Media, Gary Vee, and Marcus Brownlee use, which generates them millions of that green goodness, that cheddar cheese. What's actually wrong with me? Anyways, the first tool is Kit, and the second tool is Genius Link. Kit is completely free. There's no monthly subscription, there's no sign-up fee, nothing. Genius Link, on the other hand, does offer a 14-day free trial. However, after 14 days, you have to start paying for the service, but they have service plans as low as $5 per month. This video is going to save you hours of research and time, as I have done all the research myself. This video will also guarantee that you have the top tools necessary to generate the most amount of affiliate revenue using your affiliate links. But first, let me tell you guys a quick short story about how I actually found these tools. So recently I was watching a Think Media video where Sean Cannell says that Think Media makes $350,000 a year in affiliate revenue. Other top creators are doing the same as well. So the question is, how are they doing it, man? How are they doing it? So I started doing a little research. I pulled out the old Taplop, put on my detective glasses, and decided to figure out what it is that they're doing to ensure that I can get a piece of the action. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just gotta figure out what other people are doing that are doing things better than you so that you can duplicate it with a little bit of your own flavor to ensure that you're also successful, right? So I did a little research, and these two tools actually claim that they can skyrocket your affiliate marketing commissions. Like I said, the first tool is Kit, and the second tool is Genius Link, and I'm going to break down those tools right now for you. If you go onto the Think Media channel, you'll find links to Kitco. However, as of recent, the primary tool that Think Media has been using is Genius Link. So when you actually click on one of the affiliate links for a Think Media or Marcus Brownlee video, your screen will load a choice page. And this choice page will show a product, and it'll show 2 or 3 different links, 4 different stores that you could use to find more information on that product. So what I'm going to do is explain what Genius Link is first, because Kit is actually owned by Genius Link, and the free technology that is given to users in Kit is actually powered by Genius Link. So what exactly is Genius Link, and how can you use it to boost your affiliate revenue by 200%? I mean, that's what they advertise on their website. Genius Link is a platform that increases your affiliate revenue through localization. Localization is pretty much just the process of directing your international audience, or audience that is not currently in the country that you're in, to the appropriate storefronts for their country. For example, many creators have audiences in other countries. You may have people watching your videos or viewing your content in other countries as well. I am a creator in the USA. If someone from the UK clicks on one of my affiliate links, it is very possible that they'll actually be displayed the Amazon US storefront and not the UK storefront. Oof. Genius Link actually identifies the country that the user is in and redirects them to the appropriate storefront for their country. This is very important because many creators actually miss out on affiliate commissions that they could be making from their international audience. Why is this? The currencies are different in different countries, the shipping rates are different in different countries, and some products aren't even offered in the same countries. So oftentimes what might happen is one of your followers might click your link, see that all the information on the link is specified to an American citizen, and be like, well, I can't buy it because I'm not gonna convert my pounds to American dollars, and then they'll exit. They're like, I don't wanna make a purchase. I'll go look up this same product on my UK storefront, and then you won't get that commission for that purchase. The redirection of users to the appropriate storefront for their country allows for a much simpler and quicker process for the user. Amazon does offer this exact service for their affiliates called OneLink. However, Genius Link is partnered with not only Amazon, but other brands like Microsoft, iTunes, Walmart, and Best Buy. And Genius Link offers localization for the other brands that they're partnered with as well. This localization is important because it allows you to expand the countries where your affiliate links can be used, which means that you'll also make more money. Another major reason that Genius Link is favored by major creators is because Genius Link acts as an affiliate marketing central hub for all of your affiliate links and affiliate analytics. For example, as stated earlier, when a user clicks on your affiliate link when you have a Genius Link account, they will be shown the product as well as the different companies that you're an affiliate for. They may see an Amazon link and they'll see a Walmart link. This is important because the user is given the option to consider how they want their purchase experience to go. So instead of having to go to the Walmart.com affiliate dashboard and the Amazon affiliate dashboard and the Best Buy affiliate dashboard, Genius Link provides all of the analytics for all of your affiliate links on one dashboard. For example, you'll be able to see the countries that your clicks are coming from, as well as the conversion rates for those clicks. As stated earlier, Genius Link offers a 14-day free trial. They are not completely free like Kit. However, they do offer subscription services as low as $5 a month. Their pricing is based off clicks. So for $5 a month, you could get about 2,000 clicks. You're paying for the clicks that are actually made on your URL links, not the clicks that are made on your choice page. So when a user clicks on your Genius Link, you're not paying for those clicks, you're paying for the clicks that are made on your URL affiliate link. Now that that's over, it's a lot of information. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you guys a full recap at the end of the video. But let's get into Kit. I'm gonna call it Kitco because Kit just sounds weird and I've been saying Kitco for the past couple months, so shoot me. As stated earlier, Kitco is actually owned by GeniusLink. The same technology that GeniusLink uses is the same technology that is powered by Kitco. This is absolutely amazing because the same localization and redirection process that is used on GeniusLink is actually used for users on Kit. The difference is, however, on GeniusLink, you're paying for those additional clicks. GeniusLink uses a certain kind of technology that ensures that when you start paying, you actually get more clicks. Does this guarantee that you'll make more revenue? Not exactly, but generally the more clicks, the more revenue you'll make, ideally. Now, when you establish a Kitco account, you need to ensure that you are set up as an international affiliate with your affiliate programs. For example, if you are an Amazon affiliate, you wanna make sure that you have the Amazon affiliate one link set up. The redirection and localization is free with Kitco. Now, you can't go in and then only make an American affiliate link for Amazon and then expect Kitco to redirect your traffic to a UK website that you're not set up for with Amazon and then expect to receive a commission. From my understanding, I actually think Kitco, the website itself, will get that commission. You still want to make sure that you're set up with the international affiliate programs with the different companies you work for. Kit will just use the same technology to redirect the audience to the appropriate country storefront for the user that's viewing your content. Now, I did recently do a video explaining everything you need to know about Kit. This video is less than 2 minutes long. I'm going to play a little snippet of the video. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was weird. Sorry. I'm going to play a little snippet of the video. However, make sure you stay till the end of that snippet because I'm going to recap everything we discussed in a document that you can actually screenshot after the snippet is done. This video has kind of been a fast walkthrough and a fast explanation of what these tools do. However, I want to ensure that you have all the information you need to start using these secret affiliate marketing tools right away. I will also be providing the links to both of the tools in the description as well. All right, folks, now let's get into my secret weapon that I use to optimize traffic generation to my affiliate products. I use a website called Kitco to create a storefront where I create different kits that my audience is able to find my products on. There are no requirements and you are able to completely customize and personalize your kits for your audience. You are able to place as many products as you want into your organized kit, which is super beneficial for users as they are shown photos and little descriptions of each product. The photo and description layout is much more appealing to your audience as they are able to locate multiple products rather than having to click on each individual affiliate link. Another extraordinary thing about Kitco is that Kitco actually provides organic traffic to your affiliate links from other Kitco users. Kitco users often look up different products on kitco.com. The results that are turned to the users are products from kits from other users. So what that means is if a user makes a qualifying purchase using your affiliate link, you will receive a commission. And you didn't even have to promote your affiliate link. Kitco just brought that traffic to your affiliate link organically. Perfect. Now you know everything about Kitco, which you can use to generate more affiliate traffic to your affiliate links, as well as generate more revenue. Now let's get into the quick recap of everything we talked about so far.
All right, guys, so let's get into the recap of this video. Number 1, localization is essential for earning international affiliate commissions. You are actually losing money if you do not take part in localization. GeniusLink, Kitco, and Amazon OneLink are the 3 best tools top creators use to skyrocket their revenue through localization. GeniusLink offers a 14-day free trial, and Amazon OneLink and Kitco are completely free. If you are an Amazon affiliate who is using Kitco, you need to make sure you are set up with Amazon OneLink. Your traffic will be redirected via localization on Kitco, but you will not earn commissions if your tracking ID is not placed under the appropriate country you are an affiliate for. For example, I am a part of the Amazon OneLink in these countries. My store ID works with these specific countries. In order to make sure you earn commissions from the redirection of your audience on Kit, you need to follow these steps. 1. Log into Kit. Click your profile photo. Click Edit Profile. Click the Monetize tab, scroll down to Amazon, and input the correct tracking ID for that specific country. As you can see here, I have included my tracking information for Canada, France, Germany, and Italy, which are a few of the countries that work automatically with OneLink. If you guys would like a more in-depth and thorough walkthrough of Amazon OneLink, I am more than willing to do that. Just comment below and I'll make a video about everything you need to know regarding Amazon OneLink. Here's a quick bonus tip that is essential when working with Kit and GeniusLink. Always make sure the URL link that is generated when a user clicks on one of your Amazon products on your Kit contains your Amazon Associate ID. Use the Amazon Associate Link Tracker tool which is found under the Tools section on the Amazon Associate website, to confirm your tracking ID is placed within the kit generated URL. If your tracking ID is not found in the URL kit redirected your user to, you will not receive commission for the sale of that product. Also, if you ever change your Amazon store or tracking ID, say because you get denied access to the associate program, which did actually happen to me, but anyways, just make sure you update your tracking ID in your kit settings. I also had to re-upload all my kit products with the new tracking ID, so make sure you do that as well, or else you will not get your commission. From my understanding, Kit does not use the new tracking ID to automatically update all the URL links for your products. If you don't believe me, use the Amazon link checker tool to see if your new tracking ID has been updated on your Kit products, and if not, then make sure you re-add those products. This goes for all the stores you are an affiliate for as well. Here's one of the key takeaways to always remember. If you get new tracking ID information from the affiliate programs you're a part of, just remember to update the tracking ID information in your Kit settings. And that is the entire recap.
Now, if you are someone who's watching this video, you are obviously serious about creating a successful affiliate marketing side hustle. Affiliate marketing is absolutely phenomenal as it ensures that you can continuously make passive income. With that being said, here is the #1 investment that you need to make to ensure that your affiliate marketing strategies are successful. The investment in yourself. Specifically, an investment in acquiring knowledge that will allow you to implement the best strategies and methods to create a successful affiliate marketing strategy. There is a book that you must read that completely revolutionized the way that I see affiliate marketing, as well as the way that I create content and display my personal brand. This book is called $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi, which is this book of the week. And if you're a returning subscriber and you've seen my previous videos, and yes, I know, bro, I know, this was the book of the week 2 weeks ago. But for the purpose of this video, this book is just absolutely phenomenal. I could have chosen another book, but I know that this book by Alex Hormozi will allow you guys to develop the appropriate mindset to become the best affiliates. Quick little summary, in his book, $100 Million Offers, Alex Hormozi explains what it means to provide unmatched value to your audience or potential business partners. Although the book primarily speaks about business and customers, the principles are still the same in regards to your audience as a creator. As a creator, your objective is to provide the best value to your audience because they are giving you their most valuable asset, which is their time. The question is, how can you provide content that actually makes your audience feel like their time is being valued? That is what Alex Hormozi explains in this book exactly. He explains how to fine-tune your ability to create a valuable product for your customers. And obviously, if you're a creator or you're a part of an affiliate program, you're not necessarily responsible for creating the product. However, the content you make for your audience is a product. Once you have established a valuable strategy and system for creating valuable content to your audience, this will increase your affiliate marketing revenue as you'll be able to advertise different products in a very personal and valuable way to your followers. Now, if this video gave you some valuable knowledge, then you have to watch last week's video. In this video, I explained the best strategies and methods that top creators actually use to promote their affiliate marketing products. Although the tools I went over will help you in your affiliate marketing journey, if you don't know how to effectively promote those products or advertise the products that you're an affiliate for, then the tools aren't very useful. A lot of strategies, methods, and tools that I have used, I actually learned from top creators. These strategies and tools have doubled and even sometimes tripled the traffic to my affiliate products. Like I said before, there is no reason to reinvent the wheel. Top creators have been doing affiliate marketing for years and they're obviously making a killing off of it, so we can actually learn from their strategies and implement them into our own strategies. So make sure you check out that video, which will be linked at the top right here, and it will also be linked in the description. I will also include in the description some other videos about making money online that'll benefit you as well. Now, this is very, 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 very important, and if you stayed until the end, then thank you. The date is May 25th, 2023. We are currently at around 260 subscribers, and the goal is to get to 300. Well, the goal is to get to 100,000 so I could get one of those cool silver plaques and show you guys and everything. And we did it, haha, this is crazy. What is wrong with me? I like to say we are so close to 300. So if you're not subscribed, the question is, why? 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 Is it because I'm big? I was gonna say big, not black, you know? So as always, I love you guys, man. Thank you so much for the constant support and love that I get. All the likes mean the world to me, even the views, just knowing that people care enough about my title and thumbnail to click on it is absolutely mind-blowing to me. So I appreciate all of you guys, man. Always remember, wisdom is free and knowledge is power. Until next time, take it easy.